In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a logo on Canva for Shopify. If you are building a Shopify store, a clean logo helps customers remember your brand and gives your storefront a more professional look. The good news is that Canva makes it simple to design a logo, even if you do not have design experience. First, click Create a Design. This opens Canva's design workspace, where you can start from a blank canvas or choose a template. When you click it, look for the option where you can begin a new project. If Canva shows you different suggestions, you can ignore those for now and focus on starting your logo from the design area. Next, search logo. This step is important because it takes you directly to logo-related templates and elements. In the search bar, type logo and press enter. After that, you will see a variety of logo options, including styles for different industries. Take a moment to scan what is available so you can choose a direction that matches your brand. Now, choose Logo. When you click a logo result, Canva will load a logo template or a set of logo options. This gives you a strong starting point, which is much easier than starting from scratch. Look at the template previews and pick one that fits the look you want, such as minimal, bold, modern, or playful. You can change colors and text later, so do not worry about making everything perfect on your first pick. After you choose your logo, design your logo. This is the main part of the process, and it is where you shape the template into something that represents your brand. You can edit the text, adjust the typography, and change the design elements. If the template has a color scheme, you can update it so it matches your brand. Spend a little time making sure the logo looks clear and balanced. Also, think about how your logo will appear in small sizes, like on a browser tab or a product page icon. Once you have your design looking the way you want, click Share. This opens the sharing and download options, which is where you will get the final file to use in Shopify. Clicking Share ensures that you can export the logo in a format that works well for websites and online stores. And after you click Share, click Download. At this point, Canva will show download settings and file type choices. This step matters because the file type affects how crisp your logo looks and how easy it is to upload. Make sure you follow the next step carefully so you end up with the correct format. Next, select PNG. PNG is a common choice for logos because it supports transparent backgrounds, which is helpful for placing your logo on different themes in Shopify. When you select PNG, Canva prepares the correct file format for web use. Take a quick look to confirm that PNG is selected and that you are ready to download. Finally, click Download again. This second click starts the actual export process and saves the file to your computer. Depending on your browser and settings, you may see a progress bar or a download notification. Once it finishes, you can use the downloaded PNG file in your Shopify settings to upload your logo. That is the full process, from starting a design in Canva all the way to downloading a PNG logo ready for Shopify. That covers everything you need to know.